Hi guys, it's Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a collective haul. So I picked up some stuff from Amazon, scrapbook.com. I went to Tuesday morning, even though it was a little disappointing. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna show you my Amazon haul first. So you may have seen my video where I showed these acrylic pieces, but I saw these butterflies, and you can kind of see that here, and it was it was calling to me. I needed it. I needed it in my life. So there is a drilled hole on top, and of course there is a protective cover on both sides, so it's a little bit dull, but it does shine. So I can't wait to alter this. And with Maggie projects, yes please. So I had to have that. I also picked up some pink vellum. So I've been wanting this for a while, and I just happened to remember, and I picked up this vellum. Now, it is more of a rose blushy color versus a light pink, but I just love vellum in general, and this is actually printable vellum. By itself, it is a really light pink. You can see that here. Versus in the pack, it is a little bit more rose pink versus the light pink. So just keep that in mind. But again, really nice quality. This is a printable vellum. So I thought this was a really nice buy. And there's 50 in a pack if you are interested. The acrylic butterflies, there's 15 pieces in a pack. If you are interested, I'll leave a link down below if you want to look at any of the products I shared today. But I have just been buying random stuff. I was on a crafty diet for a little bit, and then, not intentionally, but, you know. Anyways, I got something for a mold for wax seals, you guys. So I'm not sure if I'm a perfectionist per se, but with wax seals, I was having a problem getting that perfect circle. You know what I mean? The perfect circle. And mine's always ended up looking like globs of wax. So I picked this mold up, and it's actually a lot larger than I would have liked. I guess if you're have the candle burning and you want to just bang out a couple, these would totally even work with the hot glues, because this is a, what do you call this, a rubber mold kind of. You can even use resin on this. There is a shiny finish on this. I might even try that too and pour some resin in this to make some resin wax seals. I think that would be a great idea. And I did a test run with a couple of them. See, like, I didn't pour enough wax in this one, but this one came out really nice. This one is another one that came out really nice. I've been trying to, like, not give up on the wax seals, because I have a tendency to, like, get bored and move on to different things. So I thought this would be a fun way to kind of, like, rejuvenate that love for wax seals, especially since I bought this stuff. So 2 items to show from Tuesday morning. So I saw a lot of people get Maggie Holmes items in their Tuesday morning, and I have not been in Tuesday morning for quite a bit, so I wasn't sure what to expect. So I was hoping that they rejuvenated their paper crafting section, but they didn't. So anyways, I got a pair of scissors. There's really not much here. These scissors here, cutter bees, I do like these. I'm not a fussy cutter, but I do like these scissors. So I just got another pair. You can never have enough scissors. I don't even know if it's a great price, but and this die, I saw Janae use this. She created the most magical embellishments with these, so I picked up a pair, and it's $6.99. Again, not so great about the price, but I drove 30 minutes and I was like, I need to buy something before I leave. So those are the 2 things I did buy. I also got a peachy cheap deal. They had the round trip. So long story short, I wasn't going to buy round trip. I thought it was a lot of the same patterns being repeated. And then I had FOMO and then I picked it up. So I did collect some pieces. And of course, I waited a little bit. So there wasn't a lot, or there were pieces that I wanted that were missing, but I was able to collect what I wanted. I am still waiting for an order to come in from a cherry on top, because they sent me a 15% discount code, and I was like, okay, I'm buying something. So I did pick up 12 by 12 sheets of the round trip. I have this, I did collect, I bought some stuff from scrapbook.com and then the Peachy Cheap deal. So yeah, I got the Ephemera Pack, and I did get, this is the tickets one. I'm sure you've seen this all over the YouTube. But I have a wonderful idea with this specific Ephemera Pack. I'm so excited. Can't wait. I'm trying to jumpstart this mojo of mine. And then this is the Ephemera Pack. Now, I'm loving the sizes on this Ephemera Pack. I think the pieces are a lot smaller, which I love. So they have a tendency to be super large, and these look like a good size. You know, it's been a little hit or miss, and I don't really pick up every Maggie Holmes collection, but I was feeling a little bit like I might need this collection. So yeah, I got the puffies. I got 2 puffies. I got 2 chipboards, and then I ended up getting 2 of the 6x8 because I got one from Scrapbook and then I got one from Peachy Cheap. It just happened to fall the next day after I picked it up. So yeah, just do a little quick flip through. There are a lot of images that I feel like are repeated in other collections. Like, I've kind of seen this before. I love the florals, don't get me wrong. I actually got 2 sheets of the 12 by 12 for that. I mean, that's a nice page. I love the stamps. And I wanted to show you another collection that I thought could match with this. Just because it kind of reminded me of that travel theme. And I was thinking you can even use parts of Sunny Days with this. This kind of reminds me of a page in Carousel. You know, like, I feel like a lot of the designs are just being kind of reused, recycled, and then I believe it just repeats itself. So it is a very pretty collection. It's not something that I'm like, oh my god, garden party status where I need to have like a million pieces of everything. I also got the sticker book, and I'm kind of like over these sticker books as well, although I do use them. But I have so many of these sticker books. So, but I do love I love these Vellum stickers, and this suitcase is really giving me some kind of like feels. Again, a page of stamps is nice. More Vellum-y stickers. It is a really cute and pretty collection. Like, I never do anything with the letters. Maybe if you were a scrapbooker, but I do like the sentiments. I'm a sucker for sentiments. Who doesn't love florals? And I love using these for these acrylic blanks. They really just kind of pop when it's on a transparent background. These are cute. And then you have this page here. Again, cute. Like, not a must-have, but just really nice for the summer. And I got the thickers, which is nothing really new, but it was part of the Peachy Cheap deal, so I did pick this up. Well, part of the deal. And then I got a couple of the 12 by 12s. Again, I am waiting for more 12 by 12s. But I just picked up some 12 by 12s that I thought that kind of must have. Well, actually, I only have 2 12 by 12s here from this collection. This one here, which is, I love cut-aparts. I think it's just a fun way to start with a crafty project. I usually just take this page and just cut it all up. Although the back page is nice. It's nice, don't get me wrong, a little black and white number, but obviously this is where you're going to get your money's worth. I just wish the 12 by 12s, they stopped doing this. They're not foiled anymore. So you got to get like the 6 by 8, but I'm like, I want a 12 by 12 sheet, especially since I'm buying individual sheets. I did not pick up the 12 by 12 paper pad for this just because I wasn't in love with all of the pages. I also got the airplane page. I did pick up a couple of other sheets. Again, I'm waiting for that. But I love this back. Tell me this doesn't remind you of like fun Pasteloween, right? kind of has that candy stripe pastel Halloween vibe. And then I actually picked up this Jen Hadfield paper. I got 4 sheets of this. I like the back and I like the front. I thought it was fun. So this is the, I'm not sure, Peaceful Heart collection, and it is called Look Up. I just love the rainbows. I thought it was really pretty. And then I got 2 chippies because I have problems and I love chipboard. So one to like tear apart and one to like hoard possibly. But again, I love the elements in this suitcase, like with the grandma's print. I love it. You know, obviously there's a swan. You know, there's nothing new with this. And I feel like some of these elements were pulled from Carousel, Sunny Days, you know, previous floral collections. And then, like, I've seen something like this before. But it's a fun collection. Again, fun collection. Not knocking it, I didn't end up buying it. But I wanted to show you another collection that I had in my stash and I never used. So this is the Here and There collection from Crepe Paper, and this is old. Let me see if they tell you what year this came out. 2017. So obviously it's vintage. But like I thought that this could totally go with this collection. So I pulled it. Like that little key thing, the globe, I mean the little Vespa, the plane. And this plane is pink. And it looks really similar to the one that's in the collection. And this is the Ephemera Pack. So tell me this doesn't like vibe with the round trip collection. And then I have the stickers. So I was like, you know what? I'm not really a mixer of collections, but I will pull pieces if I think they match. So, and then here is the 6x6 paper pad. And you know, just a quick little flip through. Like this kind of matches, right? Tell me if she didn't pull inspiration from this. I mean, like that wood grain paper, the taxis. So she replaced the taxis with airplanes, right? There's a lot of similarities in here that I think, like there's a whole thing of hotel keys that could totally go with this collection. So if you bought the collection and if you have this collection, you could totally mix it and make it work. So that is it for my haul, you guys. I will be back with, I have a really exciting embellishment that I created. So I'll be back with that soon. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.